Hi everyone, my name is Bob Eichelberg, Global Sales Director for Lake Country Power Tools, and I'm joined with my associate Tim Seeley, our Regional Sales Specialist for the tool. We're here today to talk to you again. It's been about 1.5 years since we first introduced this tool and talked to you, but it is our UDOS 51E user-defined orbital stroke polisher. And what we want to do today is take you through the 51. The 51 stands for 5 tools in 1. Tim, if you want to show, first position we have right now is rotary. Everybody knows what rotary is. Second position is sanding or 8mm throw for your polishing, removing holograms, removing swirls. P1 position is 12mm throw. P2 is 15mm throw, and P3 is 21mm. So we actually, there it is, the 5-in-1 tool. So Tim, now that we talked about the different modes in this 51E, why don't you take off that pad and talk a little bit about the backing plate that's unique to our tool.
Sure, our backing plate's different in that we have the aqueducts. Much like a race car, we're drawing air through the backing plate. You can see the holes on this side. So we're trying to keep the surface as cool as possible, keep the pads cool.
It's going to keep your pad cool. So now what we're going to do is Tim is going to put this in the rotary mode.
Right, we're in the rotary mode. We've got some compound here. We have the wool pad, our UDO wool pad, and we have the machine in rotary mode.
So now you're in the mode to give it a try with the rotary to take out those swirl marks that you put in at the very beginning and use the rather aggressive rotary mode to make this happen. Go ahead, Tim.
Let's just check our results. And we did remove the sanding marks.
Well, Tim, now that we've removed the scratches, looks like we got some holograms there that we need to take care of. So yeah, let's use our polishing pad, some polish, and let's try 21.
Sure.
Let's give it a 21 and see how that does.
We have lots of choices, but 21mm it is. So Bob, just to recap, we did the rotary mode. We removed our sanding scratches from the 4000 that we put in, that we started with. We switched the machine to a 21mm throw, a finishing pad and a polish, and we've got some great clarity and some great results here.
Wow, thank you, Tim. And everybody out there, while this was our first machine that we came out with, the UDOS 51E 5-in-1 electric polisher, stay in tune, stay with us. In early 22, we're going to have all sorts of exciting new things in the UDOS line of products.